Hey guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is 20th of August and it is 5:34 a.m. in the morning when I'm recording this video. And if you're actually doubting that why did I get up so early, there is still time for the markets to open at 9:30 a.m. To be honest, I did not sleep over here because there's a very interesting trade which I took, which is I went long on natural gas over here as there was a breakout. And I'll show you the live positions, the natural gas September future, the next month's expiry, as I'm telling you that it is August, so the recent expiry is in the next 5 days. So I thought that if it turns out to be a good trade, I would further on carry forward. So let's get back to the logic of this trade over here. You might be thinking that how did it give a breakout, because it's still under the channel, right? To be honest, we follow the world natural gas over here, which could be anywhere of USD NTG or NG2, which is Henry of natural gas of NYMEX, right? So if you just go into it, this is the same channel pattern, and there was inside the channel pattern a symmetrical triangle pattern. When I saw that this has been broken on the upside with a good momentum over here as a Marabuzu candle, I went long somewhere over here as natural gas timings of MCX have only opened from morning 9 a.m. to night at 11:30 p.m. only, right? So I was pretty confident that the next day we can also see some moment, and also there would be a gap up opening, and my targets would be somewhere around 3 to 6 points is what I believe, or according to how the trade goes, and if it is in a good bullish momentum, we might even see a good swing up till this much, this big target. So that big target will be in natural gas somewhere around 25 points. So 1 point is equals to 1250 rupees over here. So that will be somewhere around, you can just calculate 25.4 into 1250. So coming back to the video, that was the logic of my trade. We are already seeing an indication of gap up opening as MCX closed at 11:30, but the actual futures, the natural gas futures, which the world follows, NG2 or USD NTG, it is already showing a gap up and a good opening over here, right? So this is the overall logic of the trade which I tried to explain, and I'll be also updating you with the trade where I've exited and is it enough for me, because this is the first time I'm carry forwarding the position over of natural gas, right? So yeah, I'll see you next time and update you with the trade I've taken. Hey guys, so this is the update or the second part of this video, where previously I told you the update given at 5 o'clock somewhere on 20th August, and right now it is 10 o'clock, right? So at 10 o'clock today, we booked the natural gas trade at 289.60, and I believe the previous price which I showed you in the morning, it was somewhere at around 286.40 is what I believe. So there's almost a profit of, I just refreshes around 3 points is what I believe, 3.2 points is what I believe the profit is, and 4,375 is the net profit. And when did I book it? It is right when the market opened, right under the 1 minute. I just watched it for a few seconds and I booked it because I was really tired. I got to learn a lot. I was actually watching the USD NTG all night, and I got to learn a lot, right? So basically, just a recap, this is what I posted, that what I felt, that this is a breakout in the USD NTG at around somewhere 23, which is 11 o'clock yesterday at the night, and I said that this could be a better trade over here because it is worth the risk, as the stop loss is very small and your targets can be at least up till the bigger resistance over here, right? And that is what we achieved right after 1 hour is what I believe. Yes, the time was at not 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours it took, somewhere 2 to 3 hours, and we did get our targets up till here, which was around somewhere 4 points at MCX at that time, right? Similarly, we saw a further move when we saw a good close on the upside. I booked my profits over here at 4,375, and all these positions which you're seeing that I've sold it off, I've squared it off. It's basically the swings with that percentage of 1 to 2% gain, because I did not want to take a risk. As Nifty opened gap down over here, I previously marked a support area and it went from right over here to here, and when I saw that Nifty is over here somewhere, I went ahead and closed all my positions because I do not want to risk ahead further on taking further positions or carry forward them to the next week, right? Similar with this USD NTG also, you're saying, if you might think that it has given a good breakout on the upside and also given a breakout on the swing on the upside, I'm not trying to carry forward because there are upcoming a lot of events, which is inventory turnover ratio and a lot of things regarding the natural gas, which US will be releasing its stats into it. So I do not want to lose up all of my gains. If actually it would be going on the upside, we would again find a new pattern, and then we'll trade our perfect trades, taking best risk to reward ratios and trade accordingly, right? So this was the overall analysis of the basically the natural oil, natural gas over here, and we might even see it go higher and higher highs over here. We might find it, but the thing is, for now we have achieved our target, and when we see another trade coming up, we'll definitely be taking it. If just in case, if you want to see all these charts where I keep uploading them, and keep telling the trades or the charts or the best risk to reward trades over here, the link would be right in the description of our Telegram channel. If you want to join, you can join over there. Take care, stay safe, and trade well. Until the next video, bye bye.